And we have to credit the military for, alam mo kung kang sinong idea yan, Pastor? Well, aside from him, maybe with the other top echelons of the armed forces, si General Esperon,
Esperon.
yung national, ano ko,
Security of Advisor.
yun siya. And he discussed it earlier. I remember, early on doon sa pagka-presidente ko. And he was able really to fabricate a structure and continued with this dream into reality. And one of the things I said, that even the military would credit or attribute it, is really the LCAC.
Yes.
Kaya yun ang ayun ang hindi nila nasilip. Hindi man masisiguro, they never gave the Vice President a chance to explain. Well, bubutit naman, hayaan mo kay kung saan nila ibigay ang trabaho na yan. Sa military yan. It is the military who would be able to judge whether the LCAC would suffer buwagin or forgo with the program or whatever. Ang military nakaalam niyan. So they would be able to tell the Department Secretary Defense, si Gibo, pati si Presidente, of how LCAC helped our armed forces in minimizing or talagang reduce them to a non-entity na ang Communist Party of the Philippines, which would include itong mga NPAs.
Yes, ma'am.